Communicating safe practice is essential on any construction project, which is why we've heavily invested into our signage division. CMT are now the one-stop shop for every signage need, from site safety signs and sail flags to traffic management signs, posts and accessories. We offer end-to-end solutions in-house, from site surveys to design, print, delivery and even installation if required. Our expert designers understand the importance of clear communication, brand identity and function, utilising our extensive range of premium quality material options to produce suitable signage for every purpose, whether interior or exterior, temporary or permanent. The manufacturing process combines human expertise with cutting-edge digital assistance, guaranteeing absolute laser precision and ensuring consistent and reliable results on bulk and small orders alike. For our clients' assured satisfaction, every sign we create is subject to rigorous quality checks. In line with CMT's sustainability promise, every piece of waste material is recycled where possible. The order is then expertly packed and delivered, with the same speed and efficiency synonymous with CMT on our own fleet of vehicles. This ensures your signs get to site on time and in pristine condition, ready to install. CMT, making life easier on construction projects.